Hello, welcome everybody. This is Mr. Heave, and I am going to show you how to animate an Ascii art project. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to have some object. We're going to start with this wonderful rocket that I made. Could have put maybe a little bit more time into it, but hopefully you'll get the point. I just wanted to make something simple. And so I want to make this rocket go from left to right on the page. So the first thing I do is I have to, of course, build it. So you can see at the top of my screen, I have that built up. And now I want to import time. So what that allows me to do is at the end of this, I can show it for, let's say, half of a second. And then I can have another image. To create this image, I am going to recreate, I should say. I'm going to come down here, and then at the very beginning of each line, I'm just going to make 4 spaces, just to move everything over to the right 4. And now if you see this on the bottom, if I run it, it'll be here, and then it moves over. The problem here is that you can see the one above it. So what I want to do is I want to create some space in my code. So in the shell, you only see some of it. Now this is going to come from something that we've learned way in the beginning of this class. When I say print and in the quotes I do \n, that is going to allow me to go to the next line. And if I want to go to the next line a whole bunch of times, let's say I go to the next line 10 times, it's going to print 10 spaces. So I can take that and copy it before every single picture that I have. And now when I run it, you'll see the first picture for half of a second, and now it moves over. Perfect. So there's kind of an illusion like our plane is taking off. So now what we have to do is just continue this. So I'm just going to take this, copy it, come to the end here. Oh, I hit copy again, dang it. Here, let's Control C, Control V, and now we're going to move everything over 4 more. And instead of going over 4 more, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these 4 spots and hit Control C. So now I can just hit Control V, Control V, Control V, and so on. It just makes it a little bit easier. And now when I run it, there should be a couple iterations. There it goes. And now let's do one more. And this should be pretty easy. Control. Oh, I want to highlight 4 spaces. Control C, and then there it is. And now when I run it, hopefully there will be 4 frames of an animation. And we could change it as it goes. You could have the rocket going and then all of a sudden it blows up. You could have it land on a planet. Anything your imagination can come up with. But I want you to get the idea of there's just different frames and this rocket is flying across the screen.